Good morning, everyone. Welcome to your English class. Today, in our English class, we are going to start our chapter 2 of Honeysuckle, How the Dog Found Himself a New Master. We all know that dog is man's most loyal and dependable servant. He joined him as his master a long time ago. हम सबको पता है कि जो डॉग है वो सबसे ज़्यादा फेथफुल एनिमल है. There was a time when wolf and dog both live in jungle. We all know that wolf is a wild animal and dog is a pet animal. But there was a time when dogs also live in forest like wolves. And we also know that man has domesticated and tamed wild animals. So what is the difference between tame animals and domestic animals? The animals that we keep with us for our fun, entertainment, and safety are tamed animals, like dog. Dog is a tamed animal, and domestic animals, the animals that gives us something, like hen gives us eggs, cow gives us milk. So these all are domestic animals. So this is a story about a dog who felt alone and unsafe in this world. He is not happy with his way of living, where he has to wander here and there in search of food, and he was scared of other strong animals also. So he decided to find a master. He set out to find a powerful master than any other animal. तो ये एक कहानी है जिसमें एक डॉग अपने वे ऑफ लिविंग से, जंगलों में वो जिस तरीके से रहते थे, अपने खाने के लिए उन्हें इधर उधर घूमना पड़ता था, एंड ही वॉज स्केयर्ड ऑफ अदर स्ट्रॉन्ग एनिमल्स, तो अपने इस रहने के तरीके से खुश नहीं था. सो ही डिसाइडेड टू फाइंड अ मास्टर फॉर हिम who is strongest among all. So let's start with our chapter. You may know that the dog and the wolf are closely related. Dog and wolf belong to the same family, like cat and lion belong to the same family. In the same way, dog and wolf also belong to the same family. You may also know something about over the centuries human beings have domesticated and tamed wild animals. Here is a story about how the dog became a tame animal. As I told you that there was a time when dog used to live in the forest, but later on the dog became a tame animal. But how? Let's start our story. Dogs were once their own masters and lived the way wolves do in freedom, until a dog was born who was ill pleased with this way of life. He was sick and tired of wandering about himself, looking for food and being frightened of those who were stronger than he. So, there was a time when dogs used to live in the jungle. They have to wander here and there in search of food. So, he was not happy with this way of living. So he was also frightened with the animals who were stronger than him. Ill pleased means not happy with his way of living. He thought it over and decided that the best thing for him to do was to become the servant of one who was stronger than anyone on earth, and he set out to find such a master. So dog was not happy with his way of living. He has to wander here and there in search of food, and moreover he was very scared of other strong animals. So he decided to find a master and to become a servant of one who is the strongest among all on the earth. He set out to find such a master. एक ऐसे मास्टर की तलाश में डॉग निकल गया जो सबसे स्ट्रॉन्ग हो. He walked and he met a kinsman of his, a big wolf who was as strong as he was fierce. When he was wandering in the forest in search of his master, he met a wolf who was looking very strong and violent. Fierce means daravana, violent, frightening. Where are you going, dog? The wolf asked. The wolf asked the dog that where he was going. I am looking for someone to take up service with. Would you like to be my master, wolf? So he told that I am looking for my master. Would you like to become my master? And wolf agreed readily. I don't see why not, the wolf said, and this agreed upon the two of them went on together. So when dog offered this that I want to become your servant, the wolf agreed and he said, why not, I would like to become your master, and they both started walking together. They walked and walked, and all of a sudden the wolf lifted his nose, sniffed, darted quickly off the path and into the bushes, and crept deeper into the forest. The dog was much surprised. When they were walking, the wolf lifted his nose. जैसे वुल्फ ने अपनी नाक को ऊपर को उठाया, कुछ सूंघने की कोशिश की, और जैसे ही उसको किसी तरह की गंध आई, वो एकदम डार्टेड ऑफ क्विकली ऑफ मीन्स चेंज हिज पाथ, उसने अपना रास्ता फटाफट से बदल लिया इनटू द बुशेस, और वो झाड़ियों के अंदर चला गया, एंड क्रेप्ट डीपर इनटू द फॉरेस्ट, और दबे पाँव, क्रेप्ट मीन्स जब हम पैर को दबा के धीरे धीरे चलते हैं बिना आवाज़ के, वो घने जंगलों के बीच में घुस गया. डॉग ये देखकर बहुत सरप्राइज्ड हुआ कि व्हाट हैपेंड इमीडिएटली व्हेन ही स्निफ्ड हिज नोज एंड ही वेंट डीप इनटू द फॉरेस्ट. व्हाट्स कम ओवर यू मास्टर, ही आस्क्ड. व्हाट हैज फ्राइटेंड यू सो? Can't you see? There is a bear out there and he might eat up both of us, you and me. And what he replied, that you have not seen that there is a bear in the forest and he can eat both of us, you and me. Seeing that the bear was stronger than the wolf, the dog decided to take up service with him, and he left the wolf and asked the bear to be his master. The bear agreed to this readily and said, let us go and find a herd of cows. I'll kill a cow and then we can both eat our fill. So जब dog निकला था, वो क्या सोच के निकला था कि I am going to make a master to such a animal which is strongest among all. लेकिन जब उसने देखा that a wolf is scared of bear, so he finds that wolf is not the strongest animal. Immediately he changed his master. उसने फटाफट सोचा कि मुझे अपना मास्टर बदलना चाहिए, और वो फटाफट उसने बियर को भी वही ऑफर किया कि वुड यू लाइक टू बी माई मास्टर, एंड द बियर एग्रीड टू दिस रेडिली. बियर भी एकदम तैयार हो गया और उसने डॉग को बोला, लेट अस गो एंड फाइंड अ हर्ड ऑफ काउज. हर्ड ऑफ काउज कलेक्टिव नाउन, गायों का समूह. उसने बोला आओ चलते हैं और चल के गायों के समूह को देखते हैं. मैं एक काऊ को मारूंगा एंड वी कैन बोथ ईट आर फिल, और जिससे हमारे भोजन का इंतज़ाम हो जाएगा. दिस इज़ वॉट ऑल डॉग वॉन्ट्स, कि मुझे इधर उधर भोजन के लिए नहीं घूमना पड़े. आई शुड नॉट वॉन्डर हेयर एंड देयर इन सर्च ऑफ फूड. मोर ओवर आई शुड नॉट बी स्केयर्ड विद एनी अदर एनिमल. तो उसको बियर को देख के उसको लगा डेट आई हैव फाइंड अ परफेक्ट मास्टर फॉर मी. They walked on and soon saw a herd of cows, but just as they were about to come up to it, they were stopped by a terrible noise. अब उन्होंने दूर से देखा कि एक herd of cows बहुत सारी आ रही थी. जैसे ही वो उनकी तरफ बढ़ने लगे, they were stopped by a terrible noise. एक भयानक सी आवाज़ को सुनकर वो वहीं रुक गए. The cows were mooing loudly and running in a panic in all directions. जो cows थी वो घबराहट में ज़ोर ज़ोर से, moo means a sound of cow, जैसे सबकी साउंड्स होती हैं कैट म्यू, इन द सेम वे काउज मू. तो अपनी आवाज़ निकालते हुए ज़ोर ज़ोर से वो इधर उधर, पैनिक मीन्स घबराहट में, एंग्जाइटी में, दे आर रनिंग हेयर एंड देयर इन ऑल द डायरेक्शंस. The bear looked out from behind a tree and then too ran hastily deeper into the forest. Bear ने पेड़ के पीछे से यही देखा और फिर एकदम तेजी से, hastily means तेजी से, he also ran deeper into the forest. That's all for today. We will continue this story in our next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, stay home, stay safe.